April Harvest Festivals of India. Unity in Diversity. Hello friends. April is a very special month in India. Across different states, people celebrate harvest festivals that also mark the new year. Today, we will explore Baisakhi, Poila Boisakh, Puthandu and Vishu. 4 festivals that show India's unity in diversity. Baisakhi in Punjab and Haryana. April brings Baisakhi. Farmers celebrate the wheat harvest with joy. It's also the Punjabi New Year and an important day in Sikh history. When Guru Gobind Singh Ji founded the Khalsa Panth in 1699, people visit Gurudwaras, joined fairs and danced Bhangra and Gidda to the beats of the dhol. Families enjoy halwa, rice and pakoras. Baisakhi teaches us gratitude for food and respect for farmers. Poila Boisakh, West Bengal. In West Bengal, April 14 is Poila Boisakh, the Bengali New Year, linked to the harvest cycle. It's a time of renewal and prosperity. Families clean their homes, wear new clothes, and visit temples. Traders open new account books called Hal Khata with prayers for success. Delicious dishes like fish curry, rasgulla and sandesh are prepared. Poila Boisakh reminds us that harvest is about new beginnings and cultural pride.
Have some more. There is plenty.
Yes, please. They are the best.
Puthandu.
May this Puthandu bring joy. Yes, may we be blessed this year.
In Tamil Nadu, April 14 is Puthandu, the Tamil New Year. Families decorate their homes with colorful kolam designs and prepare a special dish called mango pachadi, which has sweet, sour and bitter flavors, symbolizing life's ups and downs. People visit temples, exchange greetings and enjoy feasts with sambar, vadai and paisam. Puthandu teaches us balance in life and gratitude for food. Vishu, Kerala.
Happy Vishu, grandfather.
Vishu, I got mine too.
In Kerala, April brings Vishu, the Malayalam New Year. Families prepare Vishu Kani, an arrangement of rice, fruits, flowers, coins and a mirror, which is the first sight people see in the morning. Elders give Vishu Kanitam, gifts or money to children. Fireworks light up the sky and families enjoy a grand feast called Sadhya. Vishu teaches us hope, prosperity, and sharing joy. Unity in diversity. Though celebrated differently, all these festivals share one message: gratitude for harvest, joy in family, and hope for the future. Whether it's wheat in Punjab, rice in Bengal, mango in Tamil Nadu, or fruits in Kerala, harvest connects us all. These festivals show India's strength in unity in diversity. So friends, April is truly India's month of harvest festivals.